Here's a cool little chord progression transition that you could use for nearly any song once you get it down in all 12 keys. We're gonna do it in the key of C, right? What we're gonna do is gonna play the C second inversion. So you have your G at the thumb, and your right hand, C in the middle finger, E in the pinky. On your left hand, you're gonna have it at the A, right? What you're gonna do is go down chromatically. So go down half a step each time. You can go from A flat or G sharp to G to C. On your right hand, you're gonna go from C second inversion to B second inversion. You have F sharp, B, D sharp, to B flat with the 7. So you have F, A sharp, and you have a D here. And then you're playing essentially a C9, right? Without the C. C is gonna be in your left hand. So you have C, E, G, B flat, and the D. This is the 7 plus the 2, that's the 9. There you go. Again, you have C for second inversion, B second inversion, B flat 9 with a G on the left hand, C9, and that's it. And then you can go to the F to finish it off. There you go.